Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles in Roblox. First, launch a Roblox experience that includes a kitchen or restaurant area. Once inside, guide your avatar to the cooking station where you will find the necessary equipment. Look for the waffle iron and the various ingredient dispensers. This initial step sets the stage for your culinary adventure, ensuring you are in the right place to begin preparing delicious virtual waffles for your customers or friends. Next, it is time to prepare your waffle batter. Head over to the ingredient stations and collect all the necessary items, typically including flour, eggs, milk, and sugar. Place these into a mixing bowl, often found on a nearby counter. Do not forget to add a small amount of baking powder, perhaps 1 or 2 scoops, to ensure your waffles turn out wonderfully light and fluffy. Mix these components thoroughly until a smooth batter forms, ready for cooking. Now, with your batter ready, proceed to the waffle iron. Carefully pour a measured amount of batter, usually about 1 cup, onto the hot cooking surface. Close the lid firmly to begin the cooking process. You will need to wait for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until the game indicates it is done. Often, the cooked waffle will automatically pop out of the iron, signaling it is perfectly golden brown and ready for the next step. Finally, it is time to serve your delicious creation. Carefully transfer the freshly cooked waffle from the iron onto a clean serving plate. This is where you can get creative with customization. Add a generous drizzle of syrup, a handful of fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream. Once adorned with your chosen toppings, present your perfectly crafted waffle to a waiting customer or share it with a friend, completing your virtual culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.